Hi friends, in this video we are going to cover the current affairs. For regular updates, join our Telegram channel. Also follow our Facebook page for daily updates. Download our free monthly current affairs PDF and current affairs questions and answers from the website. All the links are available in the description. Current Affairs Quiz, June 19th and 2020. Question number 1. Which multinational company has become a net debt-free company? Options are A. Tata Steel, B. ITCC, Reliance Industries, D. Accenture. Answer C. Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries Limited has raised over 1,68,818 crore rupees within just 2 months through investments by global tech investors 1,15,693.95 crore rupees and rights issue 53,124.20 crore rupees. With these investments, RIL has become a net debt-free company. Additional questions. Who is the founder of Reliance Industries? Dhirubhai Ambani. Question number 2. Who launched India's first mobile COVID testing laboratory? Options are A. Amit Shah, B. Harsh Vardhan, C. Ramnath Govind, D. PM Narendra Modi. Answer B. Harsh Vardhan. The Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan on June 17 launched India's first mobile laboratory for the testing of COVID-19 in rural and inaccessible areas of India. Additional questions. When did Ministry of Health and Family Welfare formed? 1976. Question number 3. The All India Football Federation has nominated former Indian captain I.M. Vijayan's name for which award? Options are A. Padma Shri, B. Padma Vibhushan, C. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, D. Dronacharya Award. Answer A. Padma Shri. The All India Football Federation AIFF has decided to recommend former Indian captain I.M. Vijayan for the Padma Shri Award, which is the country's 4th highest civilian award. Additional questions. I.M. Vijayan belongs to which state? Kerala. Question number 4. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has planned how much loan to India? Options are A. 750 million United States dollars, B. 600 million United States dollars, C. 550 million United States dollars, D. 660 million United States dollars. Answer A. 750 million United States dollars. The Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB has approved the loan of 750 million United States dollars 5,688 crore rupees to India. The loan has been sanctioned to assist the Indian government to strengthen its response to the impacts of COVID-19 pandemic on millions of people. Additional questions. Where is the headquarters of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Beijing, China. Question number 5. When is the International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict observed? Options are A. the 12th of June, B. the 15th of June, C. the 19th of June, D. the 24th of June. Answer C. the 19th of June. International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict, in order to raise awareness of the need to put an end to conflict-related sexual violence, to honor the victims and survivors of sexual violence around the world. Additional questions. From which year, United Nations General Assembly International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict announced? The 19th of June 2015. Question number 6. Who won Peace Prize of the German book trade? Options are A. Abhijit Banerjee, B. Amartya Sen, C. Reinhard Selten, D. Nabanita Senator. Answer B. Amartya Senator. Professor Amartya Sen, 2020 winner of the Peace Prize of the German book trade. The board of the German book trade announced it had awarded its prestigious Peace Prize to Indian economist and philosopher Amartya Senator. Additional questions. Who was the first Indian to win Peace Prize of the German book trade? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Question number 7. When was the Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC) formed? Options are A. 1957, B. 1963, C. 1968, D. 1975. Answer A. 1957. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC) launched a unique project at Dahanu in Palghar district of Maharashtra, a state with more than 50 lakh palm trees. Under the project, Neera and Palmgur will be produced in India. Neera and Palmgur have huge potential to create employment in the country. Additional questions. Where is the headquarters of Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC)? Mumbai. Question number 8. When do we observe World Refugee Day? Options are A. the 10th of June, B. the 20th of June, C. the 30th of June, D. the 13th of July. Answer B. the 20th of June. To honor refugees across the globe, the United Nations designated the 20th of June to be observed as World Refugee Day in its Resolution 5576 on the 4th of December 2000. Additional questions. What is the theme for World Refugee Day? Every action counts. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as Executive Director of HDFC Bank? Options are A. Ranjit Prem, B. Hari Hara Dev, C. Nabil Aslam, D. Kazad Bharucha. Answer D. Kazad Bharucha. The Reserve Bank of India has approved the reappointment of Kazad Bharucha as Executive Director of HDFC Bank for a period of 3 years with effect from June 13, 2020. Additional questions. Who is the CEO of HDFC Bank? Aditya Puri. Question number 10. Which Indian company has become first Indian company to be valued at 150 billion United States dollars? Options are A. Reliance Industries, B. JSW Groups, C. DB Corp, D. Cholamandalam Finance. Answer A. Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries Limited (RIL) on the 19th of June 2020 was valued at 150 billion United States dollars following a rise in the share market. This also made RIL the first ever Indian company to achieve a market value of above 11 lakh rupees crore. Additional questions. Who is the current chairperson and MD of Reliance Industries? Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. Question number 11. Which Indian state has become top state in country to provide employment to workers under MGNREGA? Options are A. Assam, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer C. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has become the top state in the country to provide employment to the workers under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme MGNREGA. Additional questions. Who is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh? Anandiben Patel. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as Chairman of the National Institute of Public Finance and Policy (NIPFP)? Options are A. Vishnu V. Menon, B. Urjit Patel, C. Vijay Kelkar, D. Ajay Singh. Answer B. Urjit Patel. Former Reserve Bank Governor Urjit Patel will take charge as Chairman of the National Institute of Public Finance and Policy (NIPFP) from June 22. Additional questions. Where is the headquarters of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy (NIPFP)? New Delhi. Question number 13. Whom among the following are appointed as brand ambassadors of JSW Cements? Options are A. Sunil Chhetri and Hima Das, B. Sourav Ganguly and Sunil Chhetri, C. Virat Kohli and Saina Nehwal, D. Sania Mirza and PV Sindhu. Answer B. Sourav Ganguly and Sunil Chhetri. Cement brand JSW Cement has roped in former cricketer and current President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI), Sourav Ganguly, as well as captain of the Indian national football team and Bengaluru FC, Sunil Chhetri, as its brand ambassadors. Additional questions. What is the tagline of JSW? Better every day. Thanks for watching this video. Share your feedback in the comment section.